Hi, I'm Sai Prashant. Today I'm going to discuss about Agile Manifesto. Agile Manifesto. Agile Model depends on Agile Manifesto. Manifesto means policy or aims. Aim. We can call like this also. Agile policies or Agile aims. Agile Manifesto is also called as Agile policy or Agile aims. Agile policies. Okay. So Agile policies or Agile Manifesto describes 4 points. Described in 4 points. First one is individual interaction over process and tools. And second one, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. And third point is working software over comprehensive documentation. Next, the fourth point, it includes responding to changes in overall plan over following plan. These are the 4 points or 4 policies described in Agile Manifesto. Let us see each and every point, starting with individual interaction over process and tools. Individual interaction or process and tools means, let us see this image here. Here some group of people are there. In group of people, customer is the person who is holding pen, and remaining 3 people are company people. Customer is directly interacting with these company people and he is specifying his requirements. If do like this, by doing like this, how it works, by using this operating system, how it works, by using this programming language as a platform, how it works. Like this, customer is communicating with them and they are also providing their own ideas. Let us assume the second person is developer and the third person is tester and fourth person is scrum master. So he is discussing with the customer. He may be customer or stakeholder, discussing, directly communicating with these company people. Developer is having a scope of giving his own ideas, innovative ideas. He is having a chance of including good ideas, and for tester also. So in that way it is going to be very beneficial. Here we can see the transparency in their interaction. Everything is open, nothing is hidden. Here developer provides some his views, and whereas the tester also provides his views, and the scrum master provides some his ideas. Customer is going to decide those ideas. If it is satisfying the customer is going to accept the ideas and going to work work the develop the software over using those ideas. This is what we say individual interaction over process and tools. Regarding the process and tools, for better understanding, you can see this example. See, there are different programming languages. Which language is better? Which platform is better for developing the software? Let us, the software is online insurance system. Customer requirement is it should work in both site and mobile app. And next, operating systems were different. Operating systems were there. So which operating system is better? Windows and Android is better. Like this, they are providing some ideas. The customer also checking that ideas and is going to finalize that. Okay, go ahead with Windows and Android. And again, checking the programming languages. Developer proposed Java is better for your project, then he is going to finalize, the customer is going to finalize Java if he was okay. And for the database also same. Similarly for testing, QTP, Selenium are there, automation tools. For the customer tester provided his idea, Selenium is better for reducing the testing time also. So the customer finalizes the Selenium with by checking the ideas, and he finalizes the decision. Based on this, they are going to develop the software. This is what we say transparency and individual we can see the in the image individuals interaction over process and tools. And next policy is customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Contract negotiation here in the sense, if the time increases, requirement increases means both it is going to show influence on both time and cost, both increases. So at that time, customer should collaborate over the contract negotiation. When cost and time both are increasing, they should collaborate over the cost and time. Both the cost and time he should collaborate. So in such a way, for example, reducing testing time by going automation, parallel testing. This is one of the example. In such a way, they are going to they are going to balance, and they are going to negotiate the contract. Customer is going to collaborate over the negotiation in this way. Okay. And next one is working software or comprehensive documentation. Working software or comprehensive documentation means, for suppose the customer requirements are like this: online instance system, it should work on site and mobile. Now the modules in that online instance system are registration, login, next policy creation, next payment, logout. These are the modules in the online instance system. So the working software should work satisfy all these requirements specified by the customer, including the operating systems. It should work, and including the browsers it should work, including the database, and including the platform it should be developed. Browsers, including the browsers, it should work over the browsers like Chrome, IE, Internet Explorer, Opera. These are the requirements specified by the customer. Means based on these requirements on this document, over this document the software should perform its working. Means it should work. It should satisfy these requirements. This is about working software over comprehensive documentation. And next one is responding to changes in overall plan. Responding to changes in overall plan means, here in the sense, here suppose customer required some changes, that the software should not only work on these three browsers, it should also should work on Safari. This is the one changes, this is the change he required. And whereas in the operating system, he earlier he told it should work on Windows and Android. Now and the second time he told, he came with the changes in the plan that it also should work over iOS also. Like this the changes will be, for these changes company people should be ready, scrum team or PO should be ready for accepting the changes, ready for accepting changes in the sense responding for the changes by the company, by the customer based on customer requirements in the following plan. These are the 4 points in Agile Manifesto. These are the 4 policies. Based on these only this Agile model works. So, and next is Agile model having few submodels. These submodels, among these submodels, few are very famous. Few are very famous. Those are Agile Scrum, Agile Scrum model, Agile Scrum model, and next one is Agile XP, Extreme Programming, Extreme Programming, Extreme Programming model. These are the two models. These two models I am going to discuss in my next video. In my next video, I am going to discuss about these two very interesting concepts which are using in current industry. Currently, these are the models are using. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, you can subscribe my videos.